If making passive income with no upfront investment was really that easy, everyone would be doing it. Now, the good news is that I'm assuming you're watching this video because 1, you're not lazy, and 2, you're eager to devote your time to making some passive bread without any upfront investments except for your time. In this video, I'll be presenting you with 5 different ways you can start making passive income today if you're willing to invest nothing but some time and energy into it. And before I bless you with some passive income knowledge, you're going to take the next 3 seconds to smash that like button for some extra good luck. Subleasing rental properties. When I was a 19-year-old broke kid in college, I used this method to gather some income without having an actual job. I live in an area which is close to a very large university. Students who go to this college are always on the lookout for rooming opportunities, since the average dorm rates at this college are around $1,200 per person. Knowing this, I would search for rentals in my area that were large enough to comfortably house around 5 to 7 people. Once I found the property that met this criteria, I would rent it out if and only if I had the permission of the owner to sublease the rooms in the house to my peers. For instance, if I rented out a 3-bedroom attached house, I would make extra rooms in the living room and basement in order to fit more people into the house. And I did this by simply putting up a few extra walls, of course with the permission of the owner. After everything was set up to comfortably house over 5 people, I would rent out each separate room in the house to the college students looking for housing in the area. Unlike the university, I charged around $1,000 per roommate, and there was more privacy with the housing I provided since each student would get his or her own room. With college dorming, you'll never know the slob they'll pair you up with. And don't even get me started on the smell of some of these dorms. It's absolutely horrendous. So I knew the privacy I was providing was already a deal breaker for some of these kids. The first house I rented out was a 3-bedroom attached house with a decent renovation. It had a large living room and I felt that I would easily be able to sublease it. So with this 3-bedroom house, the rent was around $3,300 a month, including utilities. After all was said and done, I was able to rent it out to 6 college students who paid me a total of $6,000 a month. All I did for month to month was make sure the property was cared for and the rent was paid. That's all. And at 19, the extra $2,700 a month of passive income was the best feeling in the world. You could get 2, 3, 4 properties like this and sublease them to make some completely passive income without ever owning the actual property. Starting a YouTube channel. This is my favorite way to make passive income with no monetary investment because you could do it by making videos about the things you're passionate about. All you need is a smartphone camera and basic free editing software like iMovie and you're in business. You don't need any fancy effects or animations, just some value-packed content. Post consistently about topics in the same niche. Be yourself and provide others with insight, and eventually you'll grow an audience. The way you make money through YouTube directly is by adding advertisements on your videos. Your videos will qualify for ads after you've surpassed 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. That's when you'll start making revenue on your videos. Different niches will feature different payouts of ad revenue, which is calculated per every 1,000 views that you get. So let's say your videos are getting around $5 per 1,000 views. If you're getting just 10,000 views a day, that's already $50 just from ads. And not to mention, you can make much more money by promoting informational products and affiliate programs, which I'll discuss later. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you're basically promoting someone else's product or program. Every time someone buys a product using your custom link, you'll receive a commission from the sale. Some platforms that allow you to become an affiliate right away include Amazon and ClickBank. Affiliate marketing is very profitable when you have your own audience in the form of an Instagram page or a YouTube channel. Simply make a post or video about a cool new product or program you've been using lately and drop a link to the product for your followers to buy. If you get a conversion rate of even 3% on an affiliate product that you'll get paid $10 on every time someone buys using your link, that's $300 right there after 1,000 people have been exposed to your promotion. Instagram influencer page. For this one, you'll have to set up an Instagram content page around a small specific niche such as dash-on lovers, beer enthusiasts, knitters, or so on. And on this page, you'll be posting content that revolves around whatever niche you found. You'll be getting this content from other pages that are in your niche. All you have to do is repost and give them credit. Let's say you made make a golfing themed page. All the content you post will be golf related, and you'll grow a following that's enthusiastic about golfing. Once you have a large following of over 100,000 people, you could start charging dropshippers and people selling golfing products to run ads on your page. If you have good engagement, meaning you have many comments and likes on your photos and videos, people will pay top dollar to run ads on your page. There's a ton of Instagram content pages like this that make a six-figure yearly income just running ads or selling merch to their existing audience of enthusiastic, niche-oriented people. The only important thing to do is picking a solid niche and growing it to over 100,000 following. Selling information. One of the biggest businesses today that require zero upfront monetary investment is selling information in the form of courses. All you have to do is be good at a skill that others will find valuable and would be willing to learn. And if you're not good at anything, you'll just have to take a few courses yourself and perfect whatever skill you'll be trying to teach others. Once you have a skill that others want to learn about, make a comprehensive course about it and sell it to others. If you're good at affiliate marketing, for example, and know how to make a lot of money from it, you could easily make a thorough course sharing your tips and tricks and charge top dollar for it, which in today's market is anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per course. Make sure you're actually providing value to people and not just selling them on fake hopes and dreams. The best way to promote your course is through a YouTube channel or Instagram following, so you'll most likely have to start a YouTube channel and give away some free content before actually profiting from this. But once you have a channel running which will funnel people to your course, you could potentially earn 6 figures a month if your content quality is top-notch. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. 5 solid different ways to make passive income without any upfront monetary investment. Making 6 figures online today is more realistic now than ever. Don't wait on anything or anyone. Dump all your useless excuses and implement some of these quality ideas to make some completely passive bread today. And if you've learned anything from me today, I'll ask you kindly to smash that like button and give my channel a sub.